Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're deep diving into the future, well, not literally, but pretty close. We're talking about AI tools, specifically the top 5 free ones that you absolutely need to check out in 2025. We're not just talking about little gimmicky apps, alright? These are tools that can seriously level up your productivity and creativity, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. So, stick around because I'm breaking down each tool, showing you what they can do, and why you don't want to miss out. Let's get started. First up, we've got ChatGPT, and let me tell you, this is not your average chatbot. We're talking next-level AI that can generate some seriously impressive text. I mean, we're talking everything from writing emails and articles to crafting stories and poems. You just feed it a prompt, and it goes to work, crafting human-quality text that's pretty mind-blowing. But it's not just about generating text, right? ChatGPT is also incredible for having actual conversations. You can bounce ideas off of it, get feedback on your work, or just chat about your day. It's like having a virtual brainstorming partner available 24/7. And the crazy part is, ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving. As more people use it, the more sophisticated it becomes, so even if you've tried it before, trust me, it's worth checking out again. Now, one of the things I love about ChatGPT is how versatile it is. No matter what you're working on, chances are ChatGPT can help. Whether you're a student struggling with an essay, a marketer trying to write engaging copy, or a developer looking for a creative spark, ChatGPT has got your back. And the best part? The basic version of ChatGPT is completely free to use. That means you can experience the power of AI writing assistants without spending a dime. They do have a paid version with some extra features, but honestly, the free version is more than enough for most people. Trust me, once you start using ChatGPT, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's seriously a game changer for anyone who writes anything, and who doesn't write these days, right? Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, Santosh, this all sounds great, but how do I actually use ChatGPT? Well, it's super simple. Just head over to their website, create a free account, and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, you'll see a text box where you can start typing your prompts. You can be as specific or as general as you like. For example, you could ask it to write a short story about a robot who falls in love with a human, or help me write an engaging Instagram caption for my latest product launch. The possibilities are pretty much endless. And the more you use ChatGPT, the better you'll get at crafting prompts that get you the results you want. It's all about learning how to communicate with the AI, and that's a skill that's only going to become more valuable in the future. So don't be afraid to experiment and see what ChatGPT can do for you. You might be surprised at how much it can elevate your writing and boost your productivity. Next up, we've got Runway ML, and this one is for all the creatives out there, or anyone who wants to add a little AI magic to their projects. Now, Runway ML is a bit different from ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is all about text, Runway ML is all about visuals, videos, and audio. We're talking about a platform that gives you access to a ton of different AI models that you can use to do some really cool stuff. Want to create AI-generated art? Runway ML can do that. Want to edit videos using the power of AI? Runway ML can do that too. And the best part is, you don't need to be a coding wizard to use it. Runway ML's interface is super user-friendly, even if you're new to the world of AI. They've got tons of tutorials and resources to help you get started. So, let's talk about some of the specific things you can do with Runway ML. One of my favorite features is their AI video generation tool. You can literally type in a text prompt, like a cat riding a unicorn through a field of flowers, and Runway ML will generate a video based on your description. It's pretty wild, but it's not just about generating wacky videos, alright? Runway ML can also be used for more practical tasks like upscaling videos to 4K resolution, removing backgrounds from videos, and even generating realistic sound effects. Like, imagine you're working on a video project, and you need a specific sound effect, but you just can't seem to find the right one. Well, with Runway ML, you can just describe the sound you're looking for, and the AI will generate it for you. It's like magic, but it's real life. And just like ChatGPT, Runway ML is constantly evolving. They're always adding new AI models and features, so there's always something new to explore. It's the kind of platform that can really push the boundaries of your creativity. Now you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds amazing, but is Runway ML actually free? Well, here's the deal. They have a free plan that gives you access to a limited number of AI models and features, which is a great way to test the waters and see if it's right for you. But if you find yourself using Runway ML a lot, I highly recommend checking out their paid plans. They give you access to more AI models, higher resolution outputs, and a bunch of other perks. And honestly, for the amount of power and flexibility you get, their paid plans are a steal. So, if you're a creative looking to experiment with the latest AI tools, or if you just want to add some AI magic to your projects, definitely check out Runway ML. It's a game changer for anyone who works with visuals, videos, or audio. Alright, let's talk video editing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Video editing, not exactly known for being quick and easy, right? Well, that's where Pictory comes in. This AI-powered video editing tool is here to change the game. Pictory makes creating professional-looking videos incredibly simple, even if you've never edited a video in your life. Seriously, we're talking drag and drop easy. And the best part? You don't need a super powerful computer to run it. So, what can you actually do with Pictory? Well, for starters, you can use it to quickly create short, shareable videos from long-form content. Let's say you have a recording of a webinar or a podcast episode. Pictory can automatically transcribe the audio, identify the key takeaways, and turn them into engaging video clips that you can share on social media. But it's not just about repurposing content, alright? You can also use Pictory to create videos from scratch. They have a library of stock footage and music that you can use, or you can upload your own media. And with their AI-powered editing features, you can easily add text, transitions, and other effects to make your videos really pop. One of the things I love about Pictory is how much time it saves. Like, imagine being able to edit a video in minutes instead of hours. That's the kind of power Pictory gives you. And because it's all cloud-based, you can access your projects from anywhere. Now, Pictory does have a free plan that gives you access to a limited number of features and exports. But honestly, even the free plan is really powerful. If you're just getting started with video editing, or if you're looking for a quick and easy way to create social media content, the free plan is definitely worth checking out. But if you're serious about video editing, I highly recommend checking out their paid plans. You get access to more features, more stock footage and music, and higher resolution exports. Plus, you get unlimited video creation, which is huge. So whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone who wants to create better videos, Pictory is an incredible tool that can help you take your video content to the next level. Okay, we've all been there, staring at a blank page, the cursor blinking, and the ideas just aren't flowing. Well, say hello to Copy.ai, your new secret weapon against writer's block. Copy.ai is an AI-powered writing assistant that can help you generate high-quality content in minutes. Whether you need help with website copy, blog posts, social media captions, or even love letters, hey, I don't judge. Copy.ai has got you covered. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI writing, isn't that just a bunch of gibberish? Trust me, I had the same doubts. But Copy.ai is different. It's powered by a powerful language model that's been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. That means it can generate human-quality content that's actually engaging and informative. So, how does it work? Well, you start by selecting a template based on the type of content you want to create. They have templates for everything from Facebook ads to product descriptions to blog intros. Once you've selected a template, you just fill in a few details about your topic and your target audience. Then, Copy.ai will generate a bunch of different options for you to choose from. You can edit the generated text, mix and match different options, or even have Copy.ai generate more ideas. It's like having a brainstorming partner on demand. One of the things I love about Copy.ai is how much easier it makes the writing process. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can use Copy.ai's templates and suggestions as a starting point. It's a huge time saver, and it can help you break through writer's block and get those creative juices flowing. Now, Copy.ai does have a free plan that gives you a limited number of credits per month. But honestly, even with the free plan, you can still get a lot of value out of Copy.ai, especially if you're just using it for short-form content like social media captions or email subject lines. But if you're creating a lot of content, I highly recommend checking out their paid plans. You get unlimited credits, access to all their templates and features, and a bunch of other perks. And honestly, for the amount of time and effort it can save you, Copy.ai is worth every penny. So, if you're a writer, marketer, or business owner looking for a way to boost your productivity and create better content, definitely check out Copy.ai. It's an incredible tool that can help you take your writing to the next level. Alright, let's talk design. Now I know what you're thinking. Design? I'm not a designer, I can barely draw a stick figure. Well, that's where Canva AI comes in. Canva in general has already made design accessible to everyone, but Canva AI takes it to a whole new level. With its AI-powered features, you can create stunning graphics, presentations, social media posts, and more, even if you have zero design experience. Seriously, Canva AI is like having a personal graphic designer on call 24/7. So, what can you actually do with Canva AI? Well, for starters, you can use their magic design feature. Just upload an image or describe the design you have in mind, and Canva AI will generate a bunch of different design options based on your input. It's pretty wild. Like, you could upload a picture of your dog and tell Canva AI to create a birthday card, and it will generate a bunch of adorable birthday card designs featuring your furry friend. But it's not just about generating cute designs, alright? Canva AI can also help you with more professional design tasks. Need to create a presentation for work? Canva AI has got you covered. Want to design a logo for your new business? Canva AI can help you with that too. One of the things I love about Canva AI is how easy it makes the design process. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and its library of templates, images, and fonts, you can create professional-looking designs in minutes. And the best part? Canva AI is constantly learning and evolving. They're always adding new features and templates, so there's always something new to explore. Now, Canva does have a free plan that gives you access to a limited number of templates and features. But honestly, even the free plan is incredibly powerful. If you're just getting started with design, or if you only need to create a few designs per month, the free plan is definitely worth checking out. But if you're serious about design, or if you need access to more templates and features, I highly recommend checking out Canva Pro. It gives you unlimited access to everything Canva has to offer, including all their AI-powered features. So whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or just someone who wants to up their design game, Canva AI is an incredible tool that can help you create stunning visuals that will make you look like a design pro. So, there you have it, my top 5 free AI tools that you need to check out in 2025. These tools are seriously changing the game, making everything from writing to video editing to graphic design more accessible and efficient than ever before. Don't forget to check out these tools, and if you found this list helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI content. We're going to be exploring the world of AI even more in future videos, so stay tuned for that. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. I'm really curious to hear your thoughts. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.